Let's see code for post-order traversal tree using recursion. Here this is a given tree and we need to pass a root address to this function, that is nothing but 100. Let's draw stack trace of this function. So 100 not equals to null, so 100 left, we need to pass it to this function. Hundred left, 100 right, and 100 value. So 100 left, we need to pass it to this function. 100 left, nothing but 200. Here here 200, we need to pass it to this function. So 200 not equals to null, then 200 left. 200 left, we need to pass it to this function again. Two hundred left, 200 right, 200 value. Now 200 left, again we need to pass it to this function. 200 left, nothing but 400. So 400 not equals to null, then 400 left, 400 right, 400 value. Here 400 left, again pass it to this function. Then 400 left, nothing but null. Then null double equals to null. So yeah, it returned back to here. 400 right, 400 right also null. So this null will pass it to this function. So again null double equals to null. Again it will return to here. This stack record will get deleted, and 400 value is nothing but 40. All three calls are done. Now the stack record will get deleted. Now it return back to here 200 right. So 200 right, nothing but 500. So 200 right will pass it to this function. So 500 not equals to null, then 500 left, 500 right, 500 value. Five hundred left, again will pass it to this function. 500 left, nothing but null. So null double equals to null, then it will get deleted this stack record and it return back to here 500 right. 500 right, so 500 right will pass it to this function. Here 500 right is equal to null, null double equals to null, then it return back to here. This stack record will get deleted. 500 value nothing but 50. 50 it will print. These 3 calls are done, then the stack record will get deleted and it return back to here. 200 value nothing but 20, it will print 20. Then all these 3 calls are done, this stack record will get deleted and it return back to 100 write. Hundred write nothing but this is, let's say this one is 300. 100 write is nothing but 300. So 300 will pass it to this function. 300 not equals to null. Then 300 left, 300 right, 300 value. Then 300 left. 300 left, we need to pass it to this function. 300 left nothing but 600. 600 not equals to null. Then 600 left, 600 right, 600 value. Then 600 left is nothing but null. So null we need to pass it to this function. Null double equals to null. So it return back here and this null, the stack record will get deleted. 600 right nothing but null. So 600 right it will pass it to this function and null double equals to null. Then it return back to 600 value. The stack record will get deleted. 600 value nothing but 60. All 3 calls are done and the stack record will get deleted and it return back to here 300 right. So 300 right nothing but 700. 700 not equals to null. Then 700 left, we need to pass it to this function. 700 left, then 700 right, then 700 value. Then 700 left, we need to pass it to this function. 700 left nothing but null. Here null double equals to null and it return back here. The stack record will get deleted. 700 right nothing but null. Again null double equals to null. So it return back here and the stack record will get deleted. And 700 value nothing but 70. It will print here. These 3 calls are done. The stack record will get deleted and it return back to here 300 value. 300 value nothing but 30. And these 3 calls are done. It will get, the stack record will get deleted and it return back to 100 value. 100 value nothing but 10. So these calls also done and the stack record also will get deleted and stack will get empty and function will be over. Function will come out from this scope. And here it is, post order traversal of binary tree.